Zurich is famous for its beautiful scenery, high-end shopping, and fancy chocolates. Zurich is on the bank of Lake Zurich and has the waters of the River Limmat running right through it. Zurich lake water is so clean that the mayor of Zurich has been known to dip a glass in it. The city is located at the foot of the Swiss Alps. The chocolates here come in wide variety and there is something for everyone here. There are lots of shopping malls and districts in Zurich, but Bahnhofstrasse is the shopping hub of this city. The windows are filled with fur, fashion, and luxury goods that make window shopping a cinch. Best places to visit in Zurich. Fraumünster Church. It was founded by King Louis the German and its convent was inhabited by the female members of the aristocracy of Europe. Its stained glass windows are amazing too. Lake Zurich. It is one of the biggest and most beautiful lakes in Switzerland and is the creation of the River Linth. You would also love to feed and play with the beautiful swans here. Grossmünster Church. Grossmünster Church, or the Church of Great Minister, is one of the most amazing places to see in Zurich. Rhine Falls. Located just approximately 50 kilometers from Zurich, the Rhine Falls is a waterfall which is considered the most powerful waterfall in Europe. The average water flow of Rhine Falls ranges from 250 cubic meters per second to 600 cubic meters per second depending on the season. Schweizerisches Landesmuseum. Schweizerisches Landesmuseum is located in the heart of the city and one of the best museums to visit in Zurich. With the largest collection of cultural-cum-historical objects, the museum takes you on a history tour. Let's take a look.
No! Wait!
Oh sorry, our editor seems to have put his crush in the video. Here you go with the museum objects. Zurich Opera House. Open House Zurich, or the Zurich Opera House, is the mecca of music in the quaint old town. The Opera House showcases performances featuring popular singers as well as premieres. Uetliberg. Uetliberg is at a height of 2,850 feet above sea level and has a splendid panoramic view of the city, the lake, and the majestic Alps. Rietberg Museum. The Rietberg Museum has a unique collection of art and cult objects from across the globe. Beautifully carved masks. With Buddhist art from Asia too. Zurich Zoo. The Zurich Zoo and Masoala Rainforest are amazing places to visit in Zurich for you. Here, you will find a variety of animal species in beautiful natural enclosures. But the key attraction is the recently added Kang-Kraken Elephant Park that allows you to see the resident elephant family. Now that we've uncovered Zurich, it's time to visit some other amazing destinations from the link on your left. See you next time.